Looking for the best microwave ovens to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Panasonic Oven. With cyclonic wave inverter technology, the Panasonic oven with cyclonic wave inverter technology model NSN97JS is a countertop microwave that offers a blend of advanced features aimed at delivering fast, efficient, and high-quality cooking. One of its standout features is the cyclonic wave inverter technology, which ensures more even cooking by distributing heat in precision 3D waves. This technology works with the 1250-watt power and 20 auto cooking settings, making it ideal for various food types including delicate items like fish and vegetables. The microwave also comes equipped with Genius sensor technology, which automatically adjusts hour and cooking time based on food moisture and temperature, ensuring consistently excellent results. It has a large 2.2 SUFT capacity with a 16.5-inch turntable, making it suitable for families or those needing to cook larger meals. The inverter turbo defrost is another impressive feature, allowing faster and more even defrosting, while the keep warm function ensures your food stays warm until you're ready to serve. In terms of price, the Panasonic NSN97JSS is available for around $379, making it a competitive choice for those seeking a reliable high-performance microwave. For 2025, this microwave is an excellent option if you're looking for a combination of speed, precision, and ease of use. Its spacious interior, advanced technology, and versatility make it a great fit for both everyday use and more specialized cooking needs. If you're someone who values even cooking, quick defrosting, and a range of smart features, this microwave could be a top choice for your kitchen. Number 2. Brevel Smooth Vive Microwave. The Brevel Smooth Vive Microwave 850 offers a sophisticated cooking experience with a range of features designed to simplify meal preparation. With 1,250 watts of power and a 1.2 cubic feet 34L capacity, this microwave is powerful enough for a variety of cooking tasks, from reheating leftovers to defrosting and cooking meals. Its Sensor IQ technology automatically adjusts the power to ensure precise cooking, eliminating guesswork and producing evenly cooked dishes every time. The microwave is designed with power smoothing inverter technology, which provides even heating without the usual hotspots. This feature makes it particularly useful for reheating delicate foods like leftovers, as it helps maintain texture and moisture. Another standout is its 80% quieter soft closed door and 50% quieter operation, making it a great choice for those who value peace in the kitchen. It also comes with 15 smart presets and one-touch auto settings for easy cooking and a child lock button for added safety, making it ideal for families. In terms of design, the brushed stainless steel finish gives it a sleek, modern look that fits well in most kitchens, whether you're working with a spacious setup or a more compact area. The LCD display and shortcuts panel offer intuitive navigation, adding to its user-friendly appeal. At a price of around $399, this microwave is a bit on the premium side. However, its durability, advanced features, and smart cooking technology make it a solid investment for anyone who values convenience and precision in their kitchen appliances. For 2025, the Brevel Smooth Vive microwave is an excellent option if you seek a reliable, high-performing microwave with modern features that simplify meal prep. It's particularly ideal for small spaces, busy professionals, or anyone who wants an easy-to-use appliance that produces consistent results. Number 3. GE Countertop Convection Microwave Oven. The GE Countertop Convection Microwave Oven offers a variety of useful features, making it an ideal option for those looking for a versatile kitchen appliance. This microwave combines both microwave and convection cooking in one unit, with a 1.0 cubic foot capacity that is suitable for a wide range of cooking needs. It is equipped with 1000 Ws of microwave power and utilizes convection cooking to brown, crisp, and roast food like a traditional oven. It even has an air fry feature, which allows you to cook healthier meals with less oil. Its smart controls make it easy to use, with a wide selection of cooking modes that ensure your food is cooked to perfection. Notable features include easy-to-use electronic controls, a turntable for even cooking, and a stainless steel finish for durability and easy cleaning. The combination of convection heat and microwave power allows you to prepare a variety of dishes faster than conventional ovens, while sensor cooking technology ensures the food is perfectly heated every time. The price range for this model is generally around $300 to $350 depending on where you purchase it. This makes it a mid-range option for those looking for a combination microwave and convection oven. For 2025, if you're looking for a compact appliance that provides versatility such as air frying, baking, and microwaving all in one, the GE Countertop Convection Microwave Oven is a solid choice. Its easy controls and advanced features are perfect for anyone seeking to save space without sacrificing performance in the kitchen. Number 4. Commercial Chef Countertop Microwave. The Commercial Chef 0.9Q FET Countertop Microwave is a versatile and compact option designed to provide a reliable microwave experience for smaller spaces like apartments, dorms, or RVs. This model offers 900 watts of power, ensuring quick and even cooking with its turntable. It features an easy-to-read digital display with preset menu options for popcorn, pizza, frozen vegetables, and more. The child safety lock adds peace of mind for families, and the clock and kitchen timer provide extra convenience. Its compact size at just 18.9 by 14.6 by 10.7 and makes it an ideal choice for counter space-limited areas, weighing 27.6 pounds for easy portability. At a price of around $110, this microwave is reasonably priced for its features and performance. For 2025, this product could be a great option if you're looking for a budget-friendly compact microwave with the essential features. It's a solid choice for basic needs but may not be ideal if you're looking for high-end performance or advanced cooking options. If you're prioritizing space saving, reliable functionality, and ease of use, the Commercial Chef 0.9QF Countertop Microwave will serve you well. Number 5. Toshiba M131A5C. The Toshiba M131A5C microwave oven is an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile, reliable, and user-friendly appliance. With a 1.2 cubic feet capacity, it offers ample space for larger meals while maintaining a compact form that fits well in most kitchens. Its 100-watt power provides consistent quick cooking with 10 power settings to customize cooking times for different foods. Key features include pre-programmed one-touch buttons for popular foods like pizza, potatoes, and veggies, along with a sensor cooking function that automatically adjusts power levels based on the food being heated. The microwave also boasts a digital display, a mute button for quiet operation, and express control for quick cooking. Additionally, it has a stainless steel exterior that's both sleek and resistant to smudges, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. The microwave is priced around $130, though prices may vary based on retailer and sales, making it a mid-range option with great value. For the features it offers, is this the best microwave for you in 2025? If you're looking for a reliable, quiet microwave that combines ease of use, modern technology, and good value, the Toshiba M131A5C is a strong contender. It's ideal for individuals or small families who appreciate convenience and consistency in their kitchen appliances.